Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and today I'm working on my 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. And what I'll be doing in this video is replacing the cabin air filter. So I purchased a MicroGuard cabin air filter, product number 4013, bought it from O'Reilly's for $9.99 before tax. Okay, access to the cabin filter, air filter, is through the glove box. I don't know of any exceptions with the Ford Fusions. All models, all years, as far as I know, it's the glove box. And the key is you have to basically take off the glove box lid, which is a very simple thing to do. So simply open the glove box, and then on each side there's little plastic tabs. You just push those in, it's going to drop down. There's a little cord right here on the right side, prevents it from opening all the way. And that is a very easy thing to remove. Okay, right there you can see the cord that prevents the glove box from opening all the way, the glove box lid. And you basically just pry this up just a little bit. I have a pick right here, and it takes both hands, but once you do that with both hands, it just comes right off. It's going to remove the entire trunk lid. Okay, so again, the glove box cover lid has been taken off, and in here you can see what's called the filter access door. It's a little plastic door, and on the very top on the left side there's a little pin. Here it is, and you have to, I've already done this, but you have to, just pry that out with the pick. Same with the right side bottom. There's another one right there, and carefully remove those little pins. And on the right side here, there is it's just plastic, and it goes in to a slot. And once you remove those pins, you just get in there and it comes out. It's a little bit tight on the right side, but it comes out. Okay, there it is. We're going to set that down. Now we have access to the filter, and you can see this filter is filthy. So let's reach in there. And pull the filter out. Yeah, you can see the difference between the dirty filter and the clean filter. So we're just going to put the clean filter in the same way we took the dirty filter out. Okay, putting the filter in, the airflow is important, and the airflow on this is down. So the squirrel cage actually draws air down, so the filter, this filter goes in this way. Okay, there's that little tab on the right side I was telling you about. So that lines up on the right side over there. Just goes in place. Make sure that the little holes for the pins line up as well. Okay, I got the filter in place. I put the filter access door back in place. And rather than put those plastic clip things in, I put some screws in. Really short little Phillips screws that were self-tapping, and they work really well. So now I'm just going to put the glove box door back in place. Make sure you get the tabs in place here. Center one's the one that rolls around, and then the side one needs to go in place as well. There we go. This cord just pulls down. Real simple. Just put it back in place. You don't need the pick to put it back in place. It just clips in the top. There it is. Push that back together, and voila. Okay, that's it. It's very easy to change the cabin air filter. See a link below on how a dirty cabin air filter can really affect the performance of your AC. If you liked the video, please hit like. It doesn't cost you anything, but it's of great value to me. If you haven't subscribed to Scott's Garage, please do so and hit that bell notification. Have a great day.